ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இன்றைக்கி ரொம்ப நெசசிட்டி வந்து ஆக்சிஜன் வேஸ்டேஜ் கம்மி பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ஸோ நான் கற்றுக்கிட்டது இந்த ஃபியூ டேஸில் வந்து ஐ வாண்டட் டு ஷேர் டு எவ்ரி ஒன். ஸோ நம்ம ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் ஆக்சிஜன் கிடைக்கிறதே இப்போ ரொம்ப டைட்டாக இருக்கிறதுனால வி வாண்ட் டு மேக் ஷுர் தட் தெர் இஸ் நோ வேஸ்டேஜ் இன் ஆக்சிஜன் இன்சைட் த ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் அண்ட் unnecessary யூஸ் ஆஃப் ஆக்சிஜன். So I will tell you some few calculation which you can calculate so that you will know that there's no oxygen wastage in your hospital. Okay. So we will be using either liquid oxygen or a cylinder, mostly D type. So D type consists of something around 7,000 liters of gas. Liquid oxygen 1 liter expands to 860 liters. Okay, so now we need to calculate how much of oxygen is consumed in the hospital or nursing home. So we have to calculate as, so if oxygen is going at the rate of 5 to 6 liters, we can calculate it as averagely around 7 liters per O2 connection. So you have to calculate that. And for ventilators, you make it as 15 liters. And for HFNC, it will be more, but minimum you keep it as 15 to. Some people, if you use judiciously HFNC, you try to keep the FiO2 low, 15 will be enough. So in case your hospital staffs are using more, then you can calculate up to 40 to 50 liters. So you calculate the requirement. So based on the how much of ventilator, say for we have around 5 ventilators, it comes around 75. Say you have around 20 connections, so it comes around 140. Say you have around 2 HFNCs, so it comes around, say something around, if you keep at 40, it comes around 80. So in case you have OT, so again you make it as 15 liters. So you have 2 OTs going on, you make it around 30. So it comes around 5, 11, 19, 22. So it's around, comes around grand total of 325 liters per minute. So you calculate it as 325 into 60. Okay, or you can calculate as 30, 12, 15, 18, 19, 10. So it is 19,500 liters per hour. Same thing you can calculate as into 24 and you make it as a per day. Per day, what is the requirement? So once we calculate for 24 hours, it comes around 4,68,000 liters per day. So now you know how much of oxygen is consumed in your hospital per day. So now what you do is, next is you have to counter check whether any leakage or wastage is there inside the hospital. So for example, you have an 1 KL tank. So I said it's something around 860. So it comes around, KL is 1000 liters. One liquid 1 kg of KL comes around 860 plus 1000. So you come around 8,60,000 liters per day of liquid oxygen is consumed there. So if you have a requirement of around 4, it comes around 1.5 days. So if there is any more consumption, so you should be aware that there is some wastage. So in case you are just using cylinders, you can calculate the same and arrive at a value and find out if there is more liters is being consumed, then there is definitely some problem in your pipings. Most likely the valve at the junction, or sometimes that flow meter junction can have a loose fitting and oxygen can be leaking. So if you try to save at least some 4 to 5 leaks, so you will be saving around 70 liters per minute. So that makes a huge difference, and you can you can make the oxygen wastage very short. Thank you. Hope it's been useful for everyone, and it saves lot of oxygen. Thank you.